Hello, Minglava. Hello. Today I'm going to make some kind of bird. Parrot. Okay, I'm going to make the parrot. I don't like talking too much. Just make it. Okay, I'm going to start blue. A lot of people are talking before they make the video. Oh my God, they're asking for subscribe and notification, everything. Up to you. If you don't like it, you don't have to subscribe. Up to you. Blue and yellow again. Okay, I'm going to start with this yellow one, about 4 inches, and make a little bit small bubble, very tiny small bubble. Just leave it. They're going to be on the same side, 4 inches. And another one. I want to change this one with the blue one. Make up, same side. And same line. So I'm going to make the head first. So you can mix color, any color you like. Just mix together. Okay. And you can make a body here. It's not, difficult. You can make about 7 inches long. And you can put the blue on the back color, so blue had to come in back and then going back again, so that's going to be same time. So you can make the like flower petal, and you can make another small flower petal, or you can cut it, doesn't matter, up to you. Just I don't want to cut it, just make it small, another flower petal, so looking nice. So I will leave it like that. And this one, make one small bubble and pinch it. See? And you can leave long, like a long tail. See? Because we are making mixed color, 2 color of parrot, so yeah. So I can put it here, some like a hair, any color you want, hairstyle, maybe some yellow. Oh. Just pop. When you go into the children party, you can't make like this. You have to make like a 2 balloon parrots, like very quick. Only 2 color. You don't need too many balloon like I do, but this one also is okay for not for long. Just do a little flower petal. about 3. You don't have to be exactly like that. Put on the head. Oh, not yet flying. Put on the head. So like an angry bird, and you can put the beak like a black one, a little black, just only like 3 inches, like that. Cut it off. Yeah, about 3 inches. Be okay. And you can put that on here. Yeah. Hide it underneath. And just do it. Okay. That look like big. And you can put there 2 small eyes. So now you got this is now a parrot, but you need the leg, feet. Feet you can make maybe this color. I miss a lot of color now. Anyway, just looking a little bit nice. Making about 2 inches. 1 small bubble and pinch it. And another 2 inches. 1 small bubble and pinch it. 2 and just 2 more inches. Right. So you got flat feet. Look like feet one side. And you can go through on the body. So you can make other side same. Start from here, right there, and about 2 inches, and 1 small bubble. 2 inches, 1 small bubble, pinch it. So same size like other, and you don't need it anymore. Just break it this one. And you got 2 feet put together and just twist it. Now you got parrot. See, beautiful parrot. Are you angry? No, you are not angry. I like to draw this a little bit. Ice go. There we go. This is my little parrot. I hope this is not difficult, just a little bit missing color. I hope you can make it easy for you. Yeah. If you enjoy, just give me thumb up and subscribe. If you don't enjoy, don't worry, you don't have to do anything. I don't want to ask you to do anything for my video, but thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.